What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm a bit tired right now, just finished working out, but I have these cool glasses and I wanted to see how they work. If they, not how they work, but if they can make an actual vlog. I know the quality is not going to be the best, but we're gonna see how they work. I'm actually going to run some errands on the road, and I want to test them out to see. Man, I'm tired. To see how they work. So let's go. Running red lights. This car sits in traffic quite well. I mean, as it should. Just that I haven't been able to do like a road trip with it yet. But I plan to do a road trip sometime soon. Do a nice road trip.
I know that your Supra was famous and fast. And I know you would need to always say they have fight.
Yeah, I know the Supra and the GTR is fast.
But they're famous and
They're famous, yeah. I see a parking. This parking space. It's mine.
yeah. It is yours.
Hmm?
Some bad guy was
Some,
that guy was walking at
a bad guy was looking at you?
even me. Even he was walking at me.
He was a bad guy?
Yeah.
Oh
And
no.
he tried to duck.
You sure it was a bad guy?
Yeah. As he wasn't ducking.
One thing though, this car gets a lot of attention, you know? Yo, that was you, that was like, that was like water on the gas, you know? I'm afraid to floor the gas. Hey, that was just water on the gas pedal. Can't wait to tune the car, so when I gear down, it, you know, rev match. Just get some gas while I'm at it. Yeah, Patty.
Wasn't afraid that my eyes started to
Okay, okay. Yo, that not work. Alright. Alright. When that car then move, man. Good man. 3 beef, 3 cheese. Alright, thanks. Yeah man, bless up, bless up. Alright.
By the end of next year, I'm supposed to look different.
Yeah man, but once you start, you have to take it serious.
I will.
Alright, respect.
I'll pull it up.
Hmm?
I'll pull it.
You know, you press it, press it.
Which one again?
Eh?
Which one again?
Those 90. Yeah, just push it so.
Oh.
Get it?
Big brother Amit. Alright, good. And a big brother now. Make sure you take care of the baby.
My double big brother.
Make sure you take care of the baby, okay? Okay.
Man, this car have no traction control, you know, so I have to be careful. Alright guys, yeah, so that was a vlog with my glasses, and I hope it was pretty cool. It was cool for me. Well, that was the fastest I've been with this car since we put in the paddle shift on the transmission, and then that was even fast. That wasn't even half of the potential of the car. So next we're going to do a proper vlog. I hope this glasses thing was pretty cool. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.